it was shocking how effective the green tea polyphenols were in stopping those blood vessels that were feeding the cancer.
Did you know that your plate could be the most powerful tool to fight cancer and heal your body? Today, we're diving into the top foods that science says can heal and protect your body, featuring insights from the renowned Dr. William Li.
In large, plant-based foods, even ones that have some natural sugars in them, actually help reduce the risk of cancer.
Dr. William Li, a world-renowned physician and scientist, emphasizes the power of food to combat disease at the cellular level. His research focuses on angiogenesis, the process by which our body creates blood vessels. The right foods can regulate angiogenesis, boost immunity, and starve cancer cells before they can grow.
Food as medicine isn't a pill where you've got good guys and bad guys and cyanide pills and cure-alls and magic bullets. Food is really a complex mix. And what we're really finding when you look at the evidence, again, evidence being really important, is that by and large, plant-based foods, even ones that have some natural sugars in them, actually help reduce the risk of cancer. All of us watching this are also forming microscopic cancers in our body right now. Cancer is actually like a pimple. They're always forming. We've got 40 trillion cells in our body. They're dividing. They make a couple of mistakes and bingo, you've got little microscopic cancers. But these little microscopic cancers can never grow up because they don't have a blood supply. So they get to be about the size of the tip of a ballpoint pen and they cannot expand any further. They sit there and then our immune system wings by like patrol cars looking for bad guys, and you see this microscopic cancer and it takes them right out. And it'll never be a problem for most of us. Now, when tumors are able to hijack our blood supply, which can occur, then they recruit their own private blood supply, and now the cancers are fed. They get oxygen and nutrients, just like our healthy organs. And this is the research I've done. When blood vessels touch a tumor, a tiny microscopic cancer, it allows that cancer to grow explosively. A tumor that's not fed by blood vessels, tip of a ballpoint pen. Tumor that actually is fed, once a blood vessel touches it, will grow 16,000 times in 2 weeks. And the same blood vessels that feed the cancer allow cancer cells to escape into the circulation. We call this metastases. So, what do we need to do? We need to shore up our body's ability to prevent extra blood vessels from growing. Our health defense system is naturally hardwired to do that. How do we actually do that better? Well, it turns out there are more than 100 different foods that have been studied. I've studied almost all of them that can enhance your body's ability to cut up the blood supply that might be feeding cancer. So you keep your good, healthy circulation. You prevent the extra blood vessels from feeding cancers.
Our bodies have an incredible capacity for self-healing, and nutrition plays a crucial role in enhancing this natural process. By incorporating specific foods into our diet, we can fuel our bodies more effectively and support overall health. Not only can these foods help prevent diseases, but they may also contribute to reversing existing health conditions. Eating a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats provides the essential nutrients needed to boost our immune system, reduce inflammation, and promote cellular repair. Embracing a balanced diet is a powerful step towards maintaining optimal health and well-being.
Well, you'll be happy to know that I got a list of foods called Grand Slammers. So these foods activate all 5 of the health defense systems in one fell swoop, one shot. So let me just read some of them to you. Apricots.
Number 1. Apricots. Apricots are small yet mighty fruits packed with nutrients that play a key role in strengthening your body's natural defense system. Their powerful blend of antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and immune-boosting nutrients make them a fantastic choice for overall health. Let's start with vitamin A, found in apricots as beta-carotene. This nutrient is like a shield for your respiratory and digestive systems, helping to maintain strong mucosal barriers that act as the first line of defense against harmful pathogens. It also supports the production of white blood cells, your body's main warriors against infections. Next, there's vitamin C, another star player in apricots. This vitamin not only boosts collagen production to strengthen your skin and tissues, but also fights off free radicals, which can damage cells and weaken immunity. Apricots are also rich in polyphenols like flavonoids and phenolic acids. These powerful antioxidants neutralize harmful molecules called reactive oxygen species, reducing inflammation and protecting against chronic diseases like heart issues and even cancer. Plus, their high potassium content helps regulate blood pressure, keeping your heart healthy. And let's not forget the fiber. It supports your gut microbiome, which is directly linked to immune health. Add in carotenoids like lutein and zeaxanthin for eye protection, and apricots truly are a superfood for your health. Number 2. Mangoes.
One of them is mango. I love mangoes. They're juicy, sweet, filled with fiber. They got lots of vitamins, and they also have bioactives. And I call a mango, by the way, a mango is a stone fruit, but I call mangoes and stone fruit grand slammers of foods. These are foods, a whole table of foods I have in my book that all activate all 5 defense systems at the same time, including the immune system. So you can slam it out of the park by eating these foods. Mango is one of my favorites. Tasty, juicy, sweet. You get vitamins, good minerals, and it actually contains these natural bioactives that actually can help boost your immune system.
Number 3. Peaches.
One of my favorite fruits. This is a peach, one of my favorite summer fruits. Juicy. You can smell the fragrance. The peach actually comes from Asia. It was transplanted and transported along the Silk Road, and it's got chlorogenic acid. This is actually a bioactive that actually does a lot of things. It cuts off the blood supply to tumors. It actually helps to protect stem cells, your health defenses. Also good for gut health, and it's also got a good amount of dietary fiber. But the interesting thing about chlorogenic acid is it actually helps your metabolism by fighting body fat. So you can activate your good fat and fight your bad fat using chlorogenic acid. Plus, it's just a juicy, great fruit to select during the summer. What you want to do is you want to smell it, and it should actually smell really good. And by the way, yellow peaches actually tend to be a little bit sweeter and juicier than white peaches, but white peaches are also delicate and great.
Number 4. Carrots, one of the most versatile and nutritious vegetables, are a powerful ally in boosting your body's natural defenses. Packed with beta-carotene, they're a rich source of vitamin A, a nutrient essential for a strong immune system. Vitamin A helps strengthen the protective barriers in your respiratory and digestive tracts, making it harder for harmful germs to get in. It also supports the production of white blood cells, your body's first line of defense against infections. But that's not all. Carrots are loaded with antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin. These help shield your cells from damage caused by free radicals, reducing inflammation and keeping your immune system functioning at its best. Plus, their high fiber content nourishes your gut microbiome, which plays a critical role in overall immunity by promoting good bacteria in your digestive system. Carrots are also a great source of vitamin C, a nutrient that boosts the production of infection-fighting cells like lymphocytes and phagocytes. And let's not forget their unique compounds, like falcarinol and falcarindiol, which have antimicrobial properties to help fend off harmful pathogens. Number 5. Eggplant, or Solanum melongena, is a powerhouse of nutrients that strengthens your body's natural defense systems. This vibrant vegetable is packed with beneficial compounds like polyphenols, including a standout antioxidant called niacin, found in its skin. Niacin works wonders by protecting your cells from damage, reducing oxidative stress, and preserving the health of immune cells, which is essential for fighting off illnesses. But that's not all. Eggplants are rich in chlorogenic acid, a potent antioxidant with antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and even anti-cancer properties. It helps your immune system combat harmful pathogens while keeping inflammation, a root cause of many chronic diseases, in check. Fiber is another big win with eggplant. It supports a healthy gut, which is crucial for a strong immune system. A healthy gut microbiome produces short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs, which help regulate immune responses and reduce overall inflammation in the body. To top it off, eggplants are loaded with vitamin C for boosting white blood cell production and potassium for maintaining heart health. Plus, their anthocyanins not only reduce inflammation but also support brain health. So next time you're at the grocery store, don't overlook this humble veggie. It's a true superfood for your body and mind. Number 6. Kale.
Kale, right? Kale is a brassica. It contains healthy bioactives like isothiocyanates, hard to pronounce, ITCs. They create sulforaphanes, and the things that make broccoli taste kind of sulfury. But it's really good for you. It's good for your immune system, good for cancer fighting, good for your circulation, good for your gut microbiome. Most of these kale has good source of dietary fiber.
Number 7. Green tea.
Green tea has polyphenols called catechins. They help to fire up our brown fat to burn down harmful white fat, so they consume fuel. When fat goes down, your metabolism will actually naturally rise at any age, even middle-aged people. And by the way, you're also burning away harmful body fat packed inside the tube of your body, and eventually it will also start to affect the fat that you can see in the mirror. I do recommend about 3 cups of green tea a day. That's where the good stuff starts to happen in your body. Tea leaves or tea bags can actually be used over and over and over again. We don't actually have to throw it out and get a whole new pot. Just put some loose leaf tea, hot water, and you can sip that all day long, and you'll probably have more than 3 cups over the course of a day.
Number 8. Walnuts.
Walnuts are some of my favorite. Walnuts have actually been shown to improve your immune system by feeding your gut microbiome. And when that actually happens, it actually makes your body respond better to medicines. Specifically, the study was done in patients with colon cancer, stage 3 colon cancer, getting regular cancer treatment, including nuts in their diet, actually lowered their mortality by more than 50%. So here's an example of something that your doctor's not going to prescribe, but that I would actually encourage you to eat if you're battling cancer, to feed your gut, improve your immune system, help your own body's health defenses fight disease. And of course, a good, healthy immune system also prevents diseases as well.
Number 9. Squid ink.
Here, that's the one from left field. You know that like squid ink pasta, black pasta? That it's the ink is actually what the squid uses, like an octopus, to squirt into the water to escape from a predator. That's actually used in Mediterranean cultures. It's delicious. I really love it to cook with it. That also activates all of your body's health defense systems. Okay, so those are some of the grand slammers.
These are just some of the amazing foods that can help heal your body and prevent cancer. But remember, it's not just about individual foods, it's about a balanced, plant-forward diet and a healthy lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more health tips and science-backed advice. Let's thrive together.